the soaring temperatures this morning, I've wedged myself in against the rock face, having found a little bit of shade. So I'm going to settle down here for a while and crack on with the underwood. She really is a little beauty and I'm so pleased with her. So without further ado, we have some paper loaded. I have a couple of ideas that I wanted to jot down this morning. Now of course I don't write on the underwood all the time. I like to play with this machine, jot down a few ideas and then I'll transfer them to my computer or to my notebooks, but just the ergonomics of this little machine inspires me. So yes, it is pretty hard on the fingertips. I'm glad of this shade at the moment because I was beginning to sweat walking along the shoreline there. I've had my feet in the sea and they're drying out pretty rapidly. If you've had a experience of the underwood typewriter in the past, please let me know and give me any tips maybe. But, it's remarkable that you can still find the ribbons for these old machines online. And the first bit of advice that I was given was try not to leave the typewriter in the sun for too long because the ribbons will eventually dry out. But I've got new ribbons in here, so hopefully we'll be okay for a little while. But the sound of these old typewriters is just music to your ears. It really is. It's a wonderful invention that obviously led on to the electric typewriter, then the computers of modern day. But for me, this is a little marvel. I've just come across this beautiful old pine tree here. It's literally hanging on to this cliff by a thread. Many of the roots now are exposed, but it's hanging on in there and it probably has done for many years. Now on this rock face you can also see where the water is seeping down through the sedimentary rock. Now I'm rather thirsty, so I would imagine there are only a few drips, but I would imagine that this is pure water. I mean, it's filtered down through this sandstone, I think it is. And again, it's probably been filtering through here for centuries. I'm not going to get much here, but I just want to taste the purest water. Beautiful. And again, this little pine tree has provided me with a bit of shade, so I'm very grateful that it's hanging on in there. So, but I'm gonna crack on with the typewriter, and I've got to go back out into the sun, so let's give it a go. Kalispera, Philamu. Good afternoon, my friends. And what an absolutely fantastic day I've had along this stretch of coast here, just the other side of Pomos. I'm ever so thankful that I packed my snorkel and got into the water here, as I said, which is gin clear. Crikey, it was amazing. The fish, the little fishes you saw, and the colours, the turquoise, the blues, simply amazing. So I think I'm hooked on snorkeling now, so I'll be doing a lot more of that. Got some great use out of the little underwood, so all in all, a very productive and wonderful day, and I hope you had the same on a blessed Sunday. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.